Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about everything HBAR. Shout out to the HBAR community for showing so much love day in, day out. Cannot thank you guys enough. Continue supporting and you will see a continuation of these updates. But yeah, as we are going into Friday morning, we are seeing a lot of red across the board yet again. So, Thursday we did see a retracement and of course HBAR is down about 5.4%. But over the last 1 hour, you are seeing some sort of relief within the markets. We're seeing a little bit of green, which of course is nice to see. Fingers crossed. But let's take a closer look and really understand what's happening with HBAR's price right now, because believe it or not, over the last 3 to 4 weeks, as I've stated to you guys before, you were seeing generally a lot of positive comments coming in for not just HBAR, but for multiple different, utility projects or majority of the projects. But right now you're starting to see a little bit of a shift. But what I'm noticing is a lot of people are actually ignoring the way HBAR is holding and, rather focusing on why the price is not continuing that upwards pattern. We're going to take a look at that. But before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So the price is currently sitting at 28.7 cents, down 5.3% in USD, down 4.3% in Bitcoin comparative, with the market cap almost at 11 billion and the 24-hour trading volume sitting below $1 billion. We're going to start off with the Bitcoin dominance and really see what has changed. So, the dominance actually did make its way up to 58.6% a few hours ago, which of course is, obviously a catalyst behind the red that we did see Thursday. But look at this, that resistance. I've spoken about this level, for quite some time at this point, and I've stated to you guys before how you don't want to see this key resistance breaking out. You don't want to see that happening. And as of now, we got rejected at that and saw a little bit of a downside for the dominance. And of course, over the last 1 hour, that is causing a little bit of an, uptick for some of these altcoins. But yeah, you want to be paying attention to Bitcoin as well, because, Bitcoin has pretty much been ranging at this level. Obviously, if it's wanting to break out, you can clearly see we do have some significant resistance coming in its way. If this is able to break out, would not be surprised if Bitcoin reclaims back up to the $100,000 price point. But you are seeing Bitcoin trying to head towards the upside. But like I said, there is quite significant resistance right now. But going back to HBAR, just like we spoke about yesterday in our update, if you did watch that, great shout out to you guys. What a lot of people are not realizing is the way HBAR's price is currently holding. I'm not going to come here and say, yeah, guys, tomorrow we're going to be heading towards, the 23.6 fib zone. No, that's not what we're talking about. But what I try to tell you guys is, look at the charts, because the chart speaks to you, right? And clearly this is, in terms of just noticing the momentum, the way it's holding while there is a lot of volatility. And why do we focus? Because I know I've been getting a lot of comments, why do you talk about Bitcoin? Why do you only not talk about just HBAR or, XRP, whatever project? Because this impacts HBAR. That's why we discussed that. And recently, if you've been, let's actually kind of go back, pretty much since the month of December started, you've seen multiple, ups and downs, major wicks towards the downside. And of course, this is what you call manipulation. And this in return has caused the dominance to start spiking up, which is causing a lag for the broader market. But with that said, if you look at HBAR, it's still maintaining its price above that key resistance. If you are a holder, you don't want to be ignoring this. Of course, if the price of HBAR falls below this and is unable to make its way back above, then we could be talking about some of the lower time scales, the likes of the 22 cents retest. Those are some conversations we could be having. But right now, that's not the case. While there is a lot of volatility within, the HBAR's price, the volume is lower. You're still seeing the price maintain within the, 0.50 fib zone. So, this brings the question: is there some insider news that we do not know of? Hence you are seeing the price of HBAR holding so good. Possibly, that could be the case, because the way it's holding right now, you don't want to be ignoring it. And I'm sure if you understand technical analysis, you can understand how big of a deal this really is. We actually did see a wick up to 29.73 cents yesterday. Never really managed to close above here, but so far so good. The fact that we're still above, the 27 cents market, but you do want to see the 0.50 being retested and seeing a close. If it's able to do that, I don't care, and I repeat, listen to me very carefully. Me personally, I would not mind if the price of HBAR consolidates here for the next, week and a half, 2 weeks. Guess what this does? When the price does go up, this exact level will come as a major level of support. But I'm liking what I'm seeing right now. Yes, I know I've been reading the comments, not just within my community, but been seeing a lot of people on crypto Twitter also talking about, why is HBAR price not going up? Are you going to forget how much it has gone up in just a matter of a month and a half? At the beginning of November, if you picked up HBAR while no one was paying attention to it, you did see this thing go up 800%. And right now, you are seeing a very healthy correction. Pay very close attention to the dominance index. If dominance continues to pull down, and fingers crossed, Bitcoin starts making its way back up to the $100,000 price point, I do expect we could see the retest up to the 33 cents quite fast if that were to happen. But let me know down below what you guys think. Obviously, a lot of ETF conversations happening right now. I think the year of 2025 is going to look great for ETFs for multiple different crypto assets, but one step at a time, of course. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. Cannot thank you guys enough for all your support day in, day out. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? We'll see you later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.